The dissection of the respiratory system is very simple, because after maneuvering and manipulating the connective tissue around the neck area of the pig, you've automatically separated structures of the respiratory system, right? So here's structure of the respiratory system, here's another structure, and then the lungs, right, have already been dissected, right? There's really nothing you have to do in terms of isolating and separating the lungs, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and begin the identification, right? So structures of the respiratory system that you guys are gonna be responsible for, right, are the internal structures, right? We're not gonna worry about the nostril, the nose, or the nasal cavity, or anything like that. But the first structure of the respiratory system that you need to identify is this right here. This is the larynx. Below the larynx is the trachea, and then you have the lungs, right? Those are the only structures that you can clearly see from this view, right? You can't see the primary bronchi that go into the lungs after the trachea, because the heart is in the way. So really, it's the larynx, the trachea, and the lungs that you'll have to be responsible for identifying.